Queer Girl Straight Skates. Today I'm doing a review of the crash pads, our shorts that have a bunch of padding on them. Check it out. Hey! So they're black shorts and they have padding inside of them. They're very discreet. You could wear them just by themselves, like pretend like I'm not wearing pants, and then be like, I'm cool. Or you could wear them under something, which are very appropriate for the occasion. By the way, these are Lizzo merch, so go Lizzo. Okay, so today what we're gonna do is we're reviewing them. So we're gonna take a bunch of crashes and see how they hold up. I've previously done a video about like testing crash pads. It's a turtle, like the big turtle pad, and you can watch that right up here. But today we're looking for something a little bit more discreet. So a lot of you have been asking me for this video, so here it is. Straight Skates is a YouTube channel all about roller skating. So if you like roller skating, if you want to be a roller skater, if you are a roller skater, please subscribe. It'll make my heart sing. And also I put out new videos every Tuesday and pour all my love into them, and I want you to watch them. So subscribe so you can get notified when that happens. So when I first got these shorts, I was worried that I was ordering shorts that like either wouldn't fit or would be absolutely ridiculous and hard to like move around in. But so far, I ordered a size 2X, so I got the 2X and those fit me really nicely. They aren't cutting off my circulation. They are like really compatible with my body shape. So if you are my size, you might be.
What's your pant size?
My pant size is a size 14. Sometimes I'm a 16, but I'm about a 14 right now. And so if you're 14, probably a 2X is about the right size for you. I usually wear like XL or double XL in most stretchy things. So those fit me really well. So far, they feel a little awkward to move around in, but as to be expected when you're wearing literal shorts with literal thick foam padding in them. So that's my experience so far. They're like a medium waist. They're not high-waisted. We'll see if they roll down or not, and we'll see if they provide the protection that they promise.
They'll probably get softer the more you wear them too.
Yeah. And also, they were about $100, which is just a little pricey for a pair of shorts, but if they hold up under like falling and all that stuff, I definitely think it's worth it to protect your tailbone. So we'll see. That was not it. Dang. Shooting the duck is hard. How do all these new people do it?
Cannonball first.
I can't go into cannonball.
That's why I can't do it.
Hey Marwa, can you make a crash pad for my whole body, please?
These crash pads make me able to do so much more for so much longer. Being awesome and fall already.
Does that work for you?
Yeah.
So overall, I totally sent it wearing these crash shorts. I could not more highly recommend getting these. One, you can barely tell that they're on versus the turtle pad, which was always sliding off and was just like really big and bulky. But these are really sleek and you can definitely wear them over or under anything, which is really nice.
When you wear it under, you can look like a Kardashian.
Yeah, that's why I have my fake ass pants from Lizzo. And if you don't know what that's from, look up the song that goes like, think that's a new, yeah.
It's called Rumors.
Rumors. So this is what the shorts look like off. They look really bulky, but when you put them on, they don't feel like that. They're a little constrictive when they're on, but that's just because they're trying to get the pads like on you so that if you fall, they don't slip and slide. So these really stretch when you put them on, which is nice, but they don't stretch out over the period of the time that you're skating, or at least I thought they were gonna stretch out more, and they only stretched out a little bit, which I was really impressed by actually. I would definitely say I got a size 2X, which is a size 14, and they fit me really well, and that was very true to size because I am a size 14. On I Want to Go to Paradise, they go up to a 3X, but these actually come from Frozen Couture, which is also called Roller Couture. It's a brand in Australia. So if you're a person who lives in Australia or somewhere near there, you can order them there. That way you could save on some shipping costs. But if you're in the US, I Want to Go to Paradise sells them as well. Definitely when I was falling, that's why I was able to send it so hard, is because I was falling and it actually like did not hurt. And I have a tailbone injury that I got about 2.5, 3 years ago. And for the first year and a half, I was unable to like sit for any period of time because it hurt so bad. And I wasn't scared today of falling on my tailbone and it didn't hurt, which was really awesome. When it comes to style, I love that they're black. So great, very sleek, awesome. They're $110, which is kind of expensive, expensive, but I think worth it. So would I recommend these to someone who's the skater? 100%. Definitely get these. They're worth it. Amazing. Incredible. Chew them up, spit them out, eat them again. Yum. Love them. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to get these crash pads, you can get them at iwannagotoparadise.com. That is Marawa's website. And tell her I sent ya. If you want to support me, you can shop at www.cheerstothequeers.com and help me become my own successful small business owner. I love you all so much. Go out and roller skate today, and most importantly, cheers to the queers!